Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Spotify enthusiast like me, you know how crucial it is to keep your account running smoothly, especially when it comes to your payment method. Maybe your card expired, or you're switching to a new one. Whatever the reason, updating it is quick and straightforward. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps so you can get back to enjoying your favorite tunes without any hitches. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Spotify account. You can do this on the mobile app or the website. If you're on the app, open it up and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. On the web, head to Spotify.com and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. In the app, look for the gear icon or Settings option under your profile. On the desktop site, click on your profile name and select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a dashboard with various options. Next, scroll down to the Subscription section. Here, you'll see details about your current plan and payment method. Look for a button or link that says Manage Subscription or Update Payment Method. Click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your new payment information. For a credit or debit card, input the card number, expiration date, and CVV. If you prefer other options like PayPal, select that and follow the prompts. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any errors. After you've entered the details, hit Save or Confirm. Spotify will process the change, and you might see a confirmation message. To be safe, check your subscription status right away to ensure it's updated. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like a declined payment, verify your card details or contact your bank. It's rare, but it happens. And there you have it. Updating your Spotify payment method is that simple. This should keep your music streaming without interruptions. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.